Okay, let's spin up the Quizatron.
Quizatron 9000.
We got 5 more questions, and again, you can record your answers and check them in the solutions video that comes after the challenges. Question 1. Which two modules in combination allows you to merge multiple fields into a single field? Check all that apply. A. Display Suite, B. Mail Log, C. Asset Injector, and D. Token. Question 2. What will a view mode allow you to do? Check all that apply. A. Reorder the inputs in the creation form for a content type. B. Select a set of fields to display and hide in the publish page. C. Allow you to reuse a display in multiple areas of the site. D. Allow you to create custom fields that merge multiple fields together. Question 3. Display Suite will allow you to split your fields into 2 separate columns. True or false? Question 4. You can select which view mode to use when creating a list of content with views. True or false? And question 5. Which date format would you use to produce the following date? And it has a short month, the day, a suffix, a comma, and a full year.